Hey guys, today I want to talk about the details of this heavy duty garment rack that I got. So look at how nice this is. This has expanders up here on the top, as well as it has an area down here to be able to put accessories. This is going to be perfect for at home use, maybe your laundry room, or to use as a garment rack in your bedroom, or even in a retail setting. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing and then we're going to try it out.
Okay, first of all, I want to say that the installation process for this was very simple. We got this put together in less than 10 minutes and it was very clear instructions. And the thing that I love about this so much is that it's lightweight, meaning that it is easy to move, certainly easy to roll, but it's also heavy duty in the sense that it has around a 650-pound capacity, which is amazing. It's constructed with a reinforced metal frame, and it has a really unique one-piece crossbar across the top, which is great for load-bearing strength and lots of good support. I can't wait to start trying this out, get some clothes on here. And I also want to show you that it does expand on both sides, which is really nice. And the rail can adjust from 41 to 61 inches. So I did want to go ahead and have my longest dress there on the end that you can just see how great this is. If you did have longer garments that you're wanting to hang. And the bottom is honestly perfect for shoes. This is exactly what I was looking for. If you're like me and you're a planner, you like to plan out outfits for the week or a vacation or special events for your family, no matter what really your purpose is for this, I find it a great way to be organized and no tool assembly, very simple. You can see how easy it is for me to pull on hard floor or on carpeting. I absolutely love this and I would highly recommend.